Hey guys, so today I'll be doing the makeup tutorial of my favorite YouTuber, Shreya Jain. So this is a long going trend on YouTube and I hope I'm the last person to do this, but it's never too late. So I have chosen the Vixen fall makeup look of Shreya Jain, this one. And without any further blabbering, let's get started.
I'm gonna take this Hourglass Primer Serum and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. This is extremely moisturizing and hydrating, so it's perfect for the colder months.
Okay, so I think she has done this video in the winter, so she's using something for which would moisturize her skin. But now it is summer, so I'm not supposed to use this. So I will use what I have, and I have the Maybelline New York Dream One Day Perfect primer. I'll be using this as my primer. Okay, so she's using the Studio West foundation, but I don't have that, and moreover, this is a thick foundation which is good for winter months, and this is summer, so I'm going to use my Fit Me foundation. It is a matte foundation, so it is really very good for summer, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. So I'm going to apply like Shreya did. That's a lot of foundation. I do not have the YBP sponge, so this is my makeup blender and this is going to help me out today. So yeah, we are all done with the foundation. So then
For my concealer, I'm using Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Concealer. Hopefully I said that right. I'm applying it under my eyes as well as on the other areas which I want to highlight.
this concealer too I have this with me, and I think this is the favorite concealer of Shreya. So where is it? Okay, so she is highlighting almost her whole face. She loves her highlighting, but I am not much into it. But let's see. Let's do it Shreya's way today and see what happens. Okay, and then using my beauty blender, I will blend it out. I'm using my Maybelline New York Compact.
Harsh lines. Going in with this banana shade and a foundation brush, I'm just gonna set my under eyes to color correct them, brighten them up, and just make them look all nice and goody to shoes or goody to eyes. I'm also setting my lid to make my transition.
This is a white powder, so it is not going to transfer any color. Okay, so she has started with the contour kit, but I do not have the same contour kit, so I am going to use what I have. And I have the Sivana Colors Contour Blush and Highlight Kit. So I'm going to take the similar color, which is this, from this palette. And we'll just do it her way. Same brush. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now I'm using my beauty blender to blend my contour. Okay, so we are all done with our contour, and I think it is looking fine as Shreya's. Okay, so for blush I have the Blue Heaven blush. The color is somewhat similar to hers. I do have a fan brush, but I do not have the highlighter. Shreya loves it, so and this is almost in the same shade that Shreya is using, brown. Okay, so she's using a brown shade. Let me see whether I have it with me or not. Yes, I have it with me. Shade right here. It's much similar to that. Okay, so she is using a rose gold color, I'm going to use this shade. This is sort of a rose gold color. Okay, so she has used a blackish sort of color. I think I should use this one, similar to that color. I do not have the exact same color, so I do not have any other option. So let's just use this.
My gel liner with an angle liner brush from NYX. I'm just gonna start lining my eyes. You can use any.
Okay, so she's using a gel liner, which I'm not very comfortable with. I cannot use gel liner. I always end up messing. So to be on the safe side and to do justice to Shreya, I will use my eyeliner pen. So here is it. So she's creating a wing liner. Okay. So she's smudging off her gel liner, which is not possible with my eyeliner pen. So what I will do is I will apply a black kajal or black kohl in my lower lash line so that I can smudge it off. For that I have the PAC long lasting kajal with me. Sorry, not kajal, it's kohl pencil. Okay, so this is a very nice kohl pencil. It has the kajal in the one end and it has the smudger on the other end. So I do not need to pick up another brush. That's a cool thing. Okay, so I do not have the same mascara, but I have one from Maybelline only. This is the iconic curling mascara. Okay, so I do not think I need to apply falsies because my lashes seem to be pretty well, and the main point why I do not want to apply falsies is that I mess up. I just mess up and I do not want to ruin the wing liner which I've created with so much patience. So no falsies today. But what I will do is I will just go back and do my another eye which I had already completed and come back soon.
And for the showstopper, I'm using NYX Transylvania. It's a soft matte lip cream and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lips, smoothing it down. The color is gorgeous.
Okay, so she is using a mauvey sort of color on her lips. Yes. So I am going to use this Retro Matte Gloss by PAC. This is in the shade Body to Mystic. I hope the color will look similar because both the colors are on the darker side. So let's just see.
Cream and I'm just gonna apply it all over my lips, smoothing it down. The color is gorgeous. eye.
So yeah, with that we finish this video, and I hope I have done justice to you, Shreya. If you are watching this video, please let me know whether I did justice to your look. And if you guys have liked this video, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.